Hi, hello. Good evening, dear students and friends. Welcome to my class on gaseous state. My today's topic on gaseous state. Gaseous state. As most of you know, under certain conditions of pressure and temperature, most of the substances can exist in any one of the three states of matter, that is solids, liquids and gases. Water, for example, it can be solid, ice, it can be liquid water or water vapor. But the physical state properties of these substances often depend on its state only. That means gases are there. Then the gases are subjected, is a subject in this chapter we have, are simpler examples than liquids and solids in many of the ways actually. Molecular motion in gases is actually totally random, and the forces of attraction between the gas molecules are so small that each molecule moves freely and essentially independently of other molecules. When subjected to changes in temperature and pressure, it is easier to predict the behavior of the gases. So these laws that govern the behavior of they have played important role in the development of atomic theory of matter and the kinetic molecular theory of gases, which is most important thing in our discussion. And most of you know that these substances that exist as gases, what are the substances? First we have to learn in the subject chemistry. That is, we live in the bottom of the ocean of air, whose composition of volume is roughly 78% of nitrogen, 78% of actually nitrogen is there, and 21% oxygen, as well as 1% the other gases. So we have 1% the other gases are there, and we know that including we have carbon dioxide is also there in this. Today the chemistry of this vital mixture of gases becomes source of the great interest because of the effects of environmental pollution, because including CO2 is there. This is the gases mixture is most important under our study. These are all gases. So the chemistry of atmosphere and polluting gases is discussed in this chapter, in the environmental chemistry chapter also. And we know here we focus actually in this gaseous state of matter, behavior of the substances that exist as gases under normal atmospheric conditions. Not only that, which are defined as at actually 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere pressure. This is 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere pressure. We will study the nature of the gases. So this is actually standard conditions. At the standard conditions, we will study the behavior of the gases. Not only that, one in our periodic table we have so many elements are there that are gases under normal atmosphere conditions. Note that we know that we have hydrogen, we have nitrogen is there, oxygen, we have fluorine. These are actually elemental state, they are gases. We know some of the allotropic modifications of oxygen, ozone is there. which is a gas at room temperature. All the elements in our periodic table, noble gases are monoatomic gases. We have helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. These all zero group elements, or you can write 8th A group elements. 8th group elements. And that is about the general which substances that exist as gases. Not only that one, we have so many ionic compounds are there. Actually, they do not exist in gaseous state at 25 degrees Celsius and 1 atmosphere pressure, because cations and anions in an ionic solid are held together by very strong electrostatic forces. That is the forces between positive and negative charges actually that overcome these attractions. We must apply large amount of energy to convert that substance into gases, which is in practice strongly heating solid. It is possible. Under normal conditions, all we do is melt the solid. For example, if you take sodium chloride is there. Sodium chloride is not a gas. We will make this one for the concept of melting. So we will melt this one. After it gets melted, then rather high temperature, that is melts greater than 801 degrees Celsius, then under in order to boil it, you would have to raise the temperature to well above 1000 degrees Celsius. That means above 1000 degrees Celsius if you do it, then we may get gas from this substance, NaCl gas. So it is very difficult thing to understand the behavior of the gases in the normal conditions. So the behavior of the molecular compounds is more varied compared to these ionic compounds. For example, we have carbon monoxide is there, we have carbon dioxide is there, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, hydrochloric acid. Not only that one, most important, hydrogen bond containing compounds like ammonia is there, and we have methane is there. These all are gases in nature. They are gases in nature, but majority of the molecular compounds are actually liquids and gases and solids, usually at room temperature. However, on heating all these molecular compounds, they are converted into gases much more easily than these ionic compounds. So ionic compounds we will convert ionic compounds into gases very difficult manner, but converting the molecular compounds into gases state of matter is easier way.